Yo, hello. Who is that I'm speaking to first?
This will be Jolly Old Gentleman Fraggy.
Oh, hello, Fragger. They call me Ratter. Now, who's the man who was the giller who shot me?
That would be me.
That would be you. Thank you. I had seeds on me. Did anyone pick them up off the corpse? They were weed seeds.
What's your name, my dude?
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
Did you pick the seeds up off the corpse? Yes or no? Because they're like.
I did not. The seeds
You
are
did
still
not.
there.
Fuck. No, no, they're dead. They're gone. Fuck, man. I already looked. There was some weed seeds I were carrying. They're gone, man. Right. Anyway, my name's Ratter. I'm from the NCR. I'm guessing you are Siren or Red Star?
Neither of them actually. I'm unaligned. I have a couple friends with me. That's all.
You in a what? Alliance? I'm not gonna come
My
out.
friend's really jumpy.
Well, I'm not gonna come out because I don't really feel like it. I feel like a last stand is better.
Oh
Ye-
my dude, we can just shoot up the fucking building.
Shoot it, but you know what's in here, I know what's in here, and I'd rather fucking fight for what's in here.
Doing.
Okay. Costa.
Make the effort.
Costa.